Kom med en introduktion så, hvis du vil fucking lave en video.
Nej.
Hvor det her nasty. Fuck. Det er lort. Så vi skal sådan huske omrystelse inden.
Det var den bedste idé i verden, det her, Daniel.
Ja. I agree. Så fucking nasty.
Skyld. Enjoy.
Sådan der.
Sådan der. Den er flot. Hvad skal vi kalde den farve?
Det er ikke 3 dage gammel sæd. Dude. Hvad fuck er det med? Jamen, seriøst, hvad fuck er det for en farve? Det var så klart.
Altså før var den i mindste sådan lidt gullig.
Ja.
Nu er den bare sådan lidt... Men vildt nok.
This consists of a mixture of citrus, vodka, a bit of gin and a bit of doolie, which gives it its characteristic natural flavor and color, the color of freely old semen. It is commonly known that the original vodka trees of Estonia has been extinct since the 15th century. However, through the years, many people have tried, unsuccessfully, to recreate the long-lost taste from these woods. This recreation, called slut, is the first successful attempt at recapturing the ancient taste. The original vodka taste was based on the taste of the ice caps from the Weissel Ice Age. The Weissel Ice Age is characterized by having a very sour ice due to the high amount of subglacial lemons. These lemons did via evolution change into the famous vodka woods of Estonia. The last seeds of the subglacial lemons were used in jewelry by several European kings and queens. The final seed was kept in a high-tech super-duper vault in San Marino and was recently retrieved by ireworks. This seed was then grown into a tree, and this tree was then harvested in order to create this final and definitive version of vodka, I guess.
Cool story, bro.